I'm back at the shop. My car's in there. They're hammering it right now. Yeah, I gotta check this idle one more time. Still rough, and I'm gonna have them fix the, what do you call it? I'll have them fix my check engine light since it's out. Looks like there's another van getting worked on there too. I don't know if you can see it. I got my wide angle lens on today to give you better perspective. And speaking of perspectives, what's the logic behind wearing a mask outside, taking it off to smoke a cigarette, and then putting it back on? Oh, check it out. I know somebody that might be interested in this. Is that a Suzuki Samurai? It's cool. Oh, what year this is? Look at those springs. There's like nothing to it. Just springs. It's a manual. I can dig it. I can see why you'd want to put this. I could see why you'd want to tow this thing on the back of your rig. But how would you tow it? Look at how high this thing is. That's a high tow. It's cool, soft top. Not bad. I don't know if it's for sale or not, but no signs. Okay, there is a hell of a lot of traffic out here today. People, I would say half the people in their cars are wearing their masks. If you are subscribed to me and you drive with a mask on, unsubscribe now, please. Here goes another one. Tow ready. Is this one a manual as well? That's cool. It's got a little rack. This guy's ready. He's got his Sprinter and tow hitch ready. I wonder if he does the van mullet. Turn it around. What is this? It looks like a B10. Yep, it's got all the seats in there. It looks like John's truck, van. Why does it look short? Super Duty, 350. It just keeps getting better and better. Better and better and better. It's 12:40. I brought the van in at 8 o'clock this morning, and I got a call back now letting me know that one of the issues is a throttle body connector, sensor, something. I couldn't hear the guy on the phone. It's kind of loud and he's a low talker. So he said he ordered the part and it should take a couple of hours. So I should be sitting on this curb for another 2 hours. So 2-3 o'clock I should find out if the work got done or not. But he said also that they looked in spark plug hole number 1 and there's coolant leaking into the spark plug. I don't know how they didn't catch that in the first place. I don't know. So now there's a leak, the coolant leak going into plug number 1, and he said that it's going to take a while to do that one, so I'm going to have to set up another time to come back out and do that. What else did he say? Oh, my check engine light. Yeah, that one's a good one. It should just be a light bulb change, but of course with my dash, he said you have to replace the whole thing. You can't just replace a light bulb. The whole thing has to be replaced. And the dash alone is $700, not including labor. So I think I'm just gonna say fuck the check light. This thing is more lemony the longer it goes. I don't know. When I first got it, it was running smooth. I checked the engine, there was no idle issues, and nothing seemed wrong with it. It drove fine. I guess I should have had a mechanic come out with me, but hindsight's 2020 now. I'm stuck with this thing and I don't know what I want to do with it. Do I keep going? Do I keep dumping money into this?
God, it's overwhelming.
You didn't?
Do you have any cash?
Yeah?
I just want to try on a pair of Madewell jeans that are $20.
Yeah. The big jeans? Big girl jeans?
Yeah. It's just kind of grossed me out though that some of these for JJ isn't.
It's alright.
They're $20.
It's not bad. Smell the whole part.
Crotch? I mean, they're in good condition.
Yeah. Where were we? The check engine light. It should just be a light bulb change. But for my van, we have to get the whole dash changed out. It's not just a light bulb change. So that part alone is $700. Good thing I'm made out of money. Good thing I'm rich. Oh man. So I don't know what I want to do with this. Do I keep putting money into it and hope that it drives well? I mean, I wanted to take this thing camping, and so far it's been nothing but camping at the shop. I haven't been able to go anywhere because I'm not confident in taking it out. Like, I don't want to get stuck somewhere. What do I do? I'm seriously at the point where I'm thinking about selling it. Like, just giving it away. It's been more problems in the last month than anything. My landlord came by and he has a 250, I believe it is, 1996, and that thing purrs like a kitten. And here's my 2005 sounding like not a kitten. I should have asked him who his mechanic was. Yeah, this whole van life thing is not what I expected it to be. So far it's been shop life, mechanic life, and money pit life. I don't know. It stays like this. I missed the FJ. That thing was flawless. Not a leak, no rust. 2010. All easy to maintain. Man, I don't know. Maybe we can get it fixed. I should have a better attitude about it, but so far, I mean, I just want to take it out. I just want to go, and I'm not confident in driving it. I'll take it down the street. I'll take it to the shop. Pretty much that's all the driving I've done so far with it. taking it to Ralph's and the mechanics. Maybe I should just say fuck it and screw my OCD and go out and drive it and see how far it goes. And if I get broken down, I get broken down. There's this other YouTube guy that I watch. He hasn't been posting lately. His name is Magician Vanish, and he has I think an E250, and he converted it into a little camper. He was doing the whole van life thing, building the bed out, tearing it apart, all of the typical van build stuff. He decided to stop building and just start taking out, and he ended up being stranded, I think, in Arizona. And he started out in what do you call it? He got stranded in Arizona, but he started in Louisiana. So he was doing a road trip from Louisiana to California, and he got stranded in Arizona. He was in a parking lot for, I don't know, a week, and he was trying to find somebody to tow his van back to Louisiana. So he was getting quotes of like $3,000 to tow his van back, and he found a place that was probably $2,500. But yeah, he got stranded in Arizona. His transmission blew, and this was when Arizona started getting those storms and everything was flooding. So not only did he get stranded and he was stuck in the parking lot, the storm came, and yeah, he got his max fan cracked and water started leaking all over his bed. So not only was he was stranded and very wet. I was just watching his videos going, wow, it just got better and better for him every time I watched, and I was just thinking, shit, this is something that I don't want happening to me. So this is where I am, got the thing in the shop most of the time, just trying to get it fixed right, just to get it running right. I'm not like trying to make it a muscle truck, I'm just trying to get it to be normal, that's why I'm not considering putting a lift on it just yet, because yeah, I'm not gonna dump all that money into this thing and then it won't even drive. Like I was hoping that after this repair it would be done, like it was just another plug that was not gapped properly or something, but every time we take it to a mechanic, it's something new every time. And I just don't understand how they didn't catch any of these things before. So I think after this run here at the mechanic, I'm going to find out what supposedly is wrong, and I'm just going to YouTube it and do it myself. I have to get under there and see it for myself. That's the only way that I'll feel confident, I think, because I've had 2 shops so far messing with my spark plugs and I still don't feel confident. Now I'm delayed, 2 months? A month. We're going on 2. I wanted to take this out in October. I wanted to be on the road as of the 1st, and yeah, here I was thinking I was doing preventative maintenance, and it just seemed to go all downhill from here. So we'll see. I'm just sitting out here now, got this B10 behind me. Want to see who comes out and gets in it. Maybe I can offer him some money for it. But like I said, good thing I'm rich, or else this would be a money pit. It's a money pit. I'm not rich, I'm joking. But I got a couple hours, so I'm just gonna sit here under this tree. We got Mr. Diggy here. Sitting and waiting. We'll see.